Hello, good morning children. So, how are your papers? Written nicely? Now I'll check and send you. We will call you to submit your papers. Now we are starting second sem. In second sem, your first lesson will be active and passive voice. Okay, it is very important. So all of you open your grammar, page number 84. I am explaining you. Okay, see. Voice is that form of verb which indicates whether the subject is the doer, that means is the subject doing the action, or the action or something is being done to it. Okay, the subject in the sentence is the doer of an action in many cases. Doer means subject is doing some action. Verbs in the sentence which requires the direct object to complete their meanings are called transitive verbs. Now look at the picture given here and read the sentences carefully. Namita sang a song. Second, Britney Spears sang a song. Now subject is Namita, verb is sang and object is a song. Here subject is Britney Spears, verb is sang and object is a song. Here we can clearly see that Namita and Britney are the subjects in the above sentences and each one is the doer of the action. Verb is sang in each of the examples, whereas a song is the object in each sentence. Therefore, the verb sang is transitive. Okay? When the subject of a sentence does an action, we say that the sentence is in the active voice. Okay? Subject is doing an action. Poonam madam is teaching English. Alright? Subject is Poonam madam. Teaching is verb. What? English. Alright? Verb is sang in each of the examples. Alright? Yeah. When the subject of a sentence does an action, we say that the sentence is in the active voice. Let us rewrite the sentences given above. Now, above sentences, see. Namita sang a song. Alright. Now this one is subject. Yeah. Now a song. A song was, this is past tense, okay? Because this is sang. So was sung by Namita. This is active. This is passive. Second one. Britney Spears sang a song. So a song was sung by Britney Spears. Clear? Now you should know all the three forms. Sing, sang, sung. Yeah? Here we have to use the past participle. Now see. When the subject is not the doer of an action but something is done to it, the sentence is said to be in the passive voice. Then it will be in the passive voice. Yeah. Only sentences with transitive verbs, verbs with an object. A verb must have an object. Then only they can be changed. They can be changed into passive voice. Yeah. Read the following sentences and state whether they are in the active or passive voice. Now here it is by the postman. So passive. Here Sita painted a portrait. So active, active. Here passive now. By John Keats. Here in the evening, active. Last one. By the police. So passive. Most probably, if there is an object, that one will be a passive voice. Use of passive voice. The action voice is generally used while conveying an idea or thought, but sometimes the use of passive voice is required. Passive voice is used if the doer of an action is not known, Mother's purse was stolen. Who stole the purse is not known. Hmm? If the stress is more on action rather than the doer of the action. A cucumber was chopped. The chopping of the cucumber is more important. Then who chopped it, who cut it is not important. But it was cut, it was chopped is important. If the emphasis is on the thing, on the person who receives the action. Example, the letter was delivered. Now, points to remember. Children, this is very important. If you know this, you can change any sentence. Now, when changing the sentence from the active voice to the passive voice, the following points have to be remembered. The object of the verb is the active in the active voice becomes the subject in the passive voice. See. See, Kanak writes, this is present tense, okay, writes a letter. Okay, this is subject, this is verb, and this is object, yeah. Object will come here. A letter. Now, a letter is now the past participle of this. Write, wrote, written. Yeah. A letter is written by Kanak. This was active and this is changed to passive. Understood? Same way second. Here Kanak is the doer of the action, doer, subject. In sentence A. And a letter is the subject in sentence B. In sentence B, a letter. Yeah. A letter is written by, yeah. So, a letter is the subject in sentence B, but it is not doer of the action. Okay, letter is not doing work. This is object. Same way here, mother eats an apple. So, an apple is eaten. Eat, ate, eaten. This you must know, children. All three tenses learn by heart. In the above examples, writes changes to is written, eats changes to is eaten in the passive form. Similarly, a few examples of the verb write in different tense forms is given here. This you have to learn. So, any word you take, they will change like this. Okay, write is written. Am writing is being written. Wrote was written. And was writing was being written. These are the tenses of passive voice, this active. Now, personal pronouns. Personal pronouns also change in the passive voice. I eat an apple. An apple is eaten by me. I will be changed to me. I has changed to me in the given example. Read the given table which shows how pronouns change from the active voice to the passive voice. So, page 85 over, children. Okay, children, see, active voice, passive voice. In active voice, I is changed to me, we, us, he, him, she, her, they, them. You and it remains unchanged. You will be you only and it will be it in the passive form. Let us discuss the changes in tense in details. Simple present tense. Rita writes a story, active voice. A story is written by Rita. Now see children, here you see Rita is proper noun, so it is capital. And down also, a story is written by, in passive voice also, by Rita. R will be capital. My teacher loves me. Now mine is changed to I. I am loved by my teacher, passive voice. In active voice, we write the root form of the verb, also with S or ES, like plays, sings or meshes. In passive voice, we write is, am, are plus past participle form of the verb. That means third form of the verb is written, are written. Fill in the blanks with the passive form of the verbs in simple present tense. The first one has been done for you. Here I have written all for you answers, so you will copy down. Next, rewrite these sentences in passive voice. The first one has been done for you. My mother always keeps my uniform clean. So my uniform is always kept. Keep, kept, kept. So kept clean by mother. He waters the plants every day. Now see, he waters the plants every day. This is active. We want to change it to passive. So in this verb is waters. Waters means to give water. See. The plants are, it is the plants plural, huh? So subject, object will come here. The plants are watered water every day by him. He will be changed to him. Clear? And full stop is a must. Next, a librarian issues books. So books is plural. So books are issued. Issued by a librarian. Everyone likes a friendly person. A friendly person is liked by everyone. Rita is writing a story, active. A story is being written by Rita. Sona is throwing balls in the net. Balls are being thrown by Sona in the net. Or balls are being thrown in the net by Sona. Both are correct. In active voice we write is or am plus ing form of the verb. In passive voice we write is or am plus being plus past participle form of the verb. Here, this I have done for you. The door is being printed by Rita, painted by Rita. Yoga classes are being conducted by an expert. Here I have written answers here, children. There is no space. You can also write like this, okay? Tell all of you bye.